Everybody love a look, yeah, give them out. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna watch the Q today. But here's a walk around of how the Q is looking right now. And remember that front splitter that I put on like probably 4 days ago? It's broken already. So now I need a new one. So it's broken, guys. And let's get the first startup, the cold start. And if y'all didn't know, I put on the side splitters. So let's get it. Let me go on this side. Hey guys, so I'm trying out the new GoPro, but right now I'm gonna go meet up with some friends at the car wash. Gonna watch the Qs today. But yeah guys, let me know if you guys like the view. So now I have more control, like how I video, and when I'm shifting, and y'all could hear the exhaust noise. So and y'all not gonna hear any blow off valves, because I don't have any on the car. Only got exhaust right now. So tell me if you guys like the audio with the GoPro, or if I need to get a mic or something to like improve the sound. So let me know, guys. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and watch the full video. The Omi Vaughn just pulled up. So we at the car wash right now, and I already washed my car already, but you just pulled up. Got a couple cars right here. Got mine right here. Already washed. Got Omi right there. These 4 bolts on tune. Traffic, guys. think further down the line I'm gonna get some blow-off valves.